In this video, I'm going to go over how to add and configure the top-rated element to your pages here. So I'm going to add an element. I'm going to search for top-rated. It'll add this element to the page, and what this does is, in your store, people leave ratings and reviews on your products. So all the products that have really good reviews, really good ratings, really high engagement will show up in this panel here. So if you have a lot of products, say for example 50 products, naturally some of those products are going to be rated very, very high compared to the others. Some very popular products are going to have more reviews than others. So that's what shows up here. This is a great way to show your potential customers that these are the products that everybody seems to love. These are the products that really sell well. Nobody really seems to have a problem with any of these products. So that's a perfect use case for the top rated element. It only has a couple settings, so it's pretty easy to set up over here. We can set how many products we want to show up in this panel. So if you have a lot of products and you only want to show a couple, you can narrow it down here by just decreasing this number. Or if you have a lot of products and you want to show them all off, you can show up to 99 products in this panel. We can change how many columns appears. The default's 4, pretty good. The image is big enough to where you can see the detail, but it doesn't take up too much room. But if we wanted to make them smaller, if we want to make a really dense panel, we can do that as well. Move it all the way up to 8 columns wide. You can see the images shrink a little bit, and there's a lot more room for more content. Then down here we can change how it's ordered. So the default is title, which is just the name of the product, the date the product was added to the store, a random order if you have no preference and you want it to look a little different each time they visit the site, or we can order it by the menu order, which is how it appears in the storefront. Then lastly, down here we can change the order method, ascending or descending, so that's A to Z or Z to A, however you prefer it to show up on your page. Once you're happy with the way everything looks, you can hit apply, then update down here at the bottom of the panel. It'll take a couple seconds to update, and once it's finished just like that, the change is now live for all the viewers on your site to see. If you have any questions about the top rated element or any other elements, please feel free to contact us. We'll be happy to help you out. Thank you.